What's up, guys? So I wanted to make a quick video on how to make money on YouTube without monetization. There's a couple ways I want to dive into making money on YouTube, and if you're not into making money on YouTube, that's fine. You can go ahead and click off the video, but it's definitely a popular topic, and so let's dive right into it. So first of all, guys, to make money on YouTube, the first way to make money is to have products. The first way to make money is to have products. So you'll see, it's as simple as making an ebook. It's as simple as making a video course, and you just sell that in your videos. Not in every video, obviously, but we're not gonna go too deep in that, but so yeah, that's one way to make money, is just sell products on your channel. Pretty easy, pretty good way to make money on YouTube, or off of YouTube, I should say. And then the next way to make money is from affiliates. So affiliate marketing is really good because you get paid every time somebody buys somebody else's product. So for example, if I put a link in the description for our camera, which I might do that actually, or our phone, the phone I'm filming this on, the iPhone 8, you can click the link in the description. It'll send you to a link, and then if you purchase that, you get like a certain amount of percentage from that. So from that product. Okay. The next way to make money on YouTube is through Patreon. Alright, Patreon is a super cool, super easy way to connect with your followers, to connect with your fans. If you really have a tight-knit group that you really have good community with, then you'll be able to give them perks for an exchange of supporting you every month, and they'll be more than happy to support you every month to help you grow, and to help you, grow your YouTube channel or whatever you're trying to do, whatever message you're trying to spread. An ongoing Kickstarter, basically. So it basically supports you every month, and in return you give them a sneak peek behind the scenes of your next video or whatever like that, or like on-screen credits. So those are a few ways to make money on YouTube. I know this is not the normal type of video we make, but I'm really passionate about making an impact and making an income from YouTube. If you're interested in making an impact and income from YouTube, stay tuned, or at least comment below and just see what I want to see, if there's anybody interested in really growing and making an impact with YouTube, or with social media in general. So it's a great place to make an impact, a great place to make some income, and do what you're passionate about. So I know this video was, like I said, a little bit different, but I wanted to share that because I really enjoyed doing that type of stuff, helping people make money, and making impact on YouTube and off YouTube. So I appreciate you watching. Click some of the links in the description for some affiliate offers. My phone, the phone I'm filming on, it's a really nice camera, iPhone 8, and then as well as some bonuses down below. There's internet accountability software, and my Instagram, all of that good stuff down below. So click some of the links in the description, and I'll talk to you guys later. God bless. Have a great day.